she's coming in an article.
My interpretation of the theme is whether whatever we wear, obviously we can't go too mainstream by not wearing anything, and so even if we wear shorts, we don't want people looking at us, staring at us in a very cheesy and dramatic way that, oh my god, what are they wearing?
Right.
It's very normal. Wearing shorts and a normal t-shirt out in the metro
Right.
is something very normal. And it's so hot, it's like 48
Yeah, I
degrees.
know, 42 degrees.
Yes. So, probably portraying that image that we're wearing these clothes, but this is not to impress the way you want to look at us, but the way that we feel comfortable in because it's so hot.
This is inspiration you got from Farhan Akhtar?
Yes.
Very nice.
Great.
So what is, I mean, 2 lines about the parade, what is that?
She's already spoken.
She has
She's already spoken. That is what she was
I
saying.
was on the other side of the machine. So that lady gave it to me and then uncle thought that I was pushing him. But eventually he had pushed me.
Right.
So I said, sorry uncle, but I did not push you. मैंने आपको नहीं push किया. He said, नहीं आजकल के बच्चों को तमीज़ नहीं है. ये आप जवान लड़की हो यहाँ पे. So I said, uncle मैंने आपको कुछ नहीं किया. उन्होंने कहा अच्छा ठीक है तो मैं sorry बोल के I just moved ahead. Then when all of us were standing in a group there, he came to us and he told sir कि आजकल के बच्चों को कोई values नहीं है. I don't know what language he was talking in. None of us could totally understand it. But what we could, he thought we have no values for today. Society, we don't have. He said ये सब देशद्रोही है. That's what he said.
I love it.
That's amazing.
I was just telling them.
And yeah, so that's what he did. He pushed me, but I didn't even. I said sorry when I know it wasn't a mistake. Still, I said sorry because he was an old man. But still, that's.
I was trying to like spill into the women's compartment from the other side.
Really?
They're all like just okay, we can just cross. So yes, I mean it's not just about the metro. You really have to plan what you wear according to where you're going to, and I don't think that's fair. I mean we're in a fashion college. If we are not allowed to express what we think through what we wear, then it's really unfair. And it's not the reason we're not being able to express it is the worst thing. It's because of people around us. I mean the whole point of expression is that people can see what we're thinking, and that's not. I think like on this side it was a good flutter. On the side of the metro line, people were talking about like asking us, okay, what college are you from, that sort of thing.
Okay.
What are you going for and all of that.
Interesting.
But on
I've written that.
Wow. Don't tell me how to dress. Tell them not to wait.
Fantastic. Very nice. So interesting, combination of of a skirt and a t-shirt. So
And
what
very
is this?
summerish.
Makeup and wear short dresses in the metro.
Right.
So, but
नहीं मतलब आपके आसपास मेट्रो में मॉल कैसा था जब आप ऐसे थे?
everyone was watching.
Curious.
I want jeans because they're comfortable and they're rough.
Right.
They're tough, and women are actually very comfortable wearing them. So that is one of the things, and the hat obviously because it's a sense of style statement also, and yet it protects you.
Fashion college, and we want people to be fashionable, not get hindered or get afraid by such events.
Slogans.
So what is the slogan you wrote on it?
I actually took Coco Chanel's quote and I sort of changed it a little bit.
What is that?
So the Coco Chanel's quote was, a woman should be two things, fabulous and classy. But I changed it to a woman should definitely be two things, fashionable and safe.
Fantastic.
Just to connect it.
Very, very nice. Very
They
nice.
might have thought, how would they know that this is an institute?
Okay.
They might have thought that we're promoting some event or some
Okay.
campaign.
Okay.
So it's a little vague that.
भी पहन के चल रही है तो वो गलत है. हमारी सोच ही गलत है.
हमारी सोच ही गलत है.
वो तो सभी जान गए.
बहुत बढ़िया. Thank you.
We could have done something more interesting, something more creative. We could have done that.
चलिए तो अगली बार करेंगे ना.
Yes, obviously.
At least एक बार आइडिया तो लगा कि
First
कैसा क्या हो
time it
सकता
was
है.
very nice.
And please don't destroy your power. Just use it power.
That's excellent. That's brilliant. Women empower you. Don't destroy your
power.
destroy power.
That's why
And show your slogan right behind. Speak about it.
The thing women have yet to learn is nobody gives you power. You just take it. Interesting, yeah. Okay. And what about your this thing? What about you painted some umbrella? कल किया है या नहीं किया?
No. Actually, I got my t-shirt today only, so I was about to write.
There were 4 girls who did this.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting. Very good. So how was the experience in parade today?
So it was nice, but personally I feel that it should be more explored, right? Because
Okay.
in metro no one knows.
Right.
Yeah, we can.
आम आदमी कर सकता है कमेंट या पुलिस के बस का कुछ नहीं।
Very powerful.
That's-
Very powerful.
But then I thought to wear bell bottoms so that depicting the women of 70s who started becoming independent since then.
Okay.
And
Okay.
it's like if a woman is independent, if she is earning, she's financially strong, she doesn't need a man to be dependent on. So I'm confident and bold enough to walk alone.
Fantastic. And what's your message for the people today? I mean, about the women's security.
No such. I haven't made a slogan yet because we got our T-shirts in the morning.
Right.
It was very on the spot thing.
Right.
But there was something in my mind that instead of going to Kashmiri Gate, we would have gone to CP and and we should have done a street play kind of a thing.
Participate since it was a great message, and I'm a woman who I believe I need. You should be always strong in your head